Built in 2021, this stunning 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath home showcases the popular Columbia floor plan, offering spacious and seamless living. The heart of the home on the main floor features an expansive open area that combines the kitchen, living, and dining rooms, perfect for gathering and entertaining. The owner's suite is conveniently located on the first floor, providing a large walk-in closet and ensuite bath. Upstairs, a versatile open loft space and 4 additional large bedrooms cater to a variety of needs, whether for family, guests, or office use. This home is an excellent choice for anyone looking for room to grow. Price to sell, this property is sure to move quickly.